Ugh. That's gonna be nice. That's gonna be nice. I was a sleepy one today. I was a sleepy one. I slept in until like 8:50. Just got up like 10 minutes ago. Definitely need some water and some coffee here. I'm gonna get some water here. We need some more water. Let's see what we got here on the scans. Let's check out the scans. CHEA looks like junk. I do not want to trade that one. Oh my god. What the hell's going on with this stock? Acquisition? Yeah, I don't like it. I don't like CHEA. It's some sort of Chinese acquisition. Looks sketchy to me. Looks real sketchy here. Yeah, it looks like it was halted news pending. Yeah, I don't think I'm messing around with that one. YTEN, we've traded this one before. Yeah, this one looks a lot better, a lot cleaner here. Yield 10 Biosciences. I don't see any news on it. Maybe the news just hasn't updated yet. We can take a look here at the daily. On the daily chart, looks like we had topped out at 50, 52. Looks like we have a nice window here from. Looks like we have a window from high of 50, high of 50, all the way down to, all the way up to $1 a share. Looks like we're pushing pretty hard here, from 40 up to 48. So we have a nice window. At least on the daily chart, you have a window, but it looks like you did have some action here. But we do have room up to, I would say, about $1. And it looks like the 200 EMA on the daily is at 97 cents. So yeah, right up to about $1, you got resistance. Nice breakout there. Very strong. Strong move there. 28% in 3 minutes. Someone else was in the Discord is calling out GRRR. Yeah, it looks like that one didn't hold up. I don't like it. FDMT. This one looking interesting. FDMT has news. Positive trial data from phase 2 clinical trial. So expensive though. Spreads could be big. Daily chart. Looks like we're up in this area here. I prefer not to trade FDMT, but if it does move and if it's the one, I am going to have to make it work because it does kind of look like CRBP. We had CRBP, similar price, similar sort of pre-market chart on this day. Actually, no, it opened in this area at $10 or $14, which is actually a lot lower. So I'm not sure if we're actually gonna get something like that because on FDMT, because it's a little bit bigger float. FDMT does have a bigger float than CRBP. CRBP was like 1 mil float. You can check the dilution tracker. For FDMT. Yeah, it says 40 million shares outstanding and 40 million float for FDMT. I don't like it. It's too high. Too expensive and too high of a float. It's definitely not going to be good. Someone's calling out IMBS. Oof, look at that. This is why we do not hold overnight. Announces exercise of previous issued warrants. That is pretty much an offering. Pretty much offering news. So exercising those warrants, so pretty much diluting the stock. Warrants is just similar to an offering. It dilutes the stock. So it looks like Y10 is the only one that's really looking decent. So that might be the one that we have here at the open. EVBG, no. BRTX, no. CDIO, CDIO, maybe. Let's go. I don't know. No. Volume is real light here. Where's CHEA again? CHEA, yeah, this was that sketchy ass Chinese company. I don't know, man. This one might go too. I don't want to trade it, but CAGA. This is sketchy, man. This is sketchy. Look what came up for CAGA. Oh, dilution may not matter for this one. It doesn't even show the float. Dilution's not a significant price driver. Yeah, fucking right. They're trying. I'm staying away from this thing. They're trying to get you to trade this thing, and they're gonna get in for that halt news pending, and pretty much just steal their money. This is a Chinese company. Like, hell no. I'm staying far away from this freaking stock. Everything is just looking sketchy. I don't even know the float. The dilution tracker says that dilution. Yeah, well, don't worry about the dilution, guys. It's not going to matter for this one. Just be very confident in your trades. You don't even need to know the float. Just trade it, man. It's up 100%. That's pretty much what that site is saying. So I don't know if they got paid by CAGA or China to put that out there and not publish information, but definitely sketchy. Definitely sketchy. Good morning, guys. Yeah, not much happening at the moment. Y10 is looking the best here in my opinion. So yeah, YTEN, you got that ascending support. Hopefully we can hold VWAP in this area. Consolidating, not, I guess you're not consolidating near the highs. We do need to bounce up a little bit more for that to be considered, you know, really consolidating near the highs, or maybe a blow off top open. But seems like we are having some resistance up in this area. I'd say if price can close above 50 again. So it looks like previously price could not close above 50. So if we can at the open close above 50, might be able to see that breakout here at 54 cents. Then I want to put the a line here at 97 cents, because 97 is the 200 EMA on the daily, so that's going to be significant resistance. So if we can make it up there, that would be a nice target. Yeah, I'll put at 96.50 just for an extra buffer zone. So we do have to hold this low, or else I don't really like it for the open. Man, this could be a slow day, guys. Could be a slow day. GNPX. What time is it? 9:17. GNPX has enrolled and dosed the first patient in phase 2A expansion portion of its Acclaim 1 study of Recorsa therapy in combination with AstraZeneca's Tagrisso for late-stage non-small cell lung cancer. Okay. Low volume. Just had a recent reverse split though. So a recent reverse split, the float's got to be really small here. I think we could see GNPX just because we have been seeing that theme of recent reverse splits and then publishing news and the stock's going absolutely bananas, because it does have a 1.43 million share float. Doesn't look like we have any in-process offerings, so it's actually looking pretty decent. The only thing is just we need some more volume here. FDMT. Yeah, FDMT. I would trade it. I would trade it if we have volume and we're surging through the high. I'll trade on small size if that's all we got. CHEA, I'm not trading. I'm already telling myself I'm not trading it because we already had a halt news pending on it, and now it's back up, and now we don't even have news on it or something like that. This is a real sketch. Chinese sketchy ass company. The only thing I don't like about FBMT is that it's just so expensive. And I already know the spreads are gonna be like $1.50 a share. I like GMPX. If we got to see volume though. I want to check FinViz here for something. GNPX on FinViz. Just pull this up here for you guys. So yeah, shares outstanding 1.2 million. Looks like the short flow is not that high. Somebody was saying that there was a high short interest. I don't see the short interest, but I do see 1.2 million share float, recent reverse split, and has news. And yeah. We'll check out the daily chart again just to draw out our levels. The daily chart may not be accurate because I don't think it adjusted the chart for the reverse split. One for 40 reverse split, so it reduces the flow by 40x. So the float was like 40 million. Now it's at 1 million. I don't want to be too early on this because if I'm too early before there's really volume on it, I could catch a huge flush. So I need to really make sure it's in play first before I start getting big size on it. All right, let's get geared up for the open here. My mic seems low today. Let me see here. I can probably increase the volume. Check, 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 check. Hello. Okay, that's probably better. But yeah, I'm watching GMPX on the side chart right now. It doesn't look like, you know, if I see it start to squeeze up on the side chart, I'll pull it up. But for right now, I'm going to watch YTEN. Since we are holding up key levels, we are holding up VWAP, and we have a potential move back over 50. And it does have decent volume. But, you know, this is the only one that looks good here right at 9:30. So this is what I'm going to be watching. However, later in the morning, maybe, you know, a couple minutes after the open, or 30 minutes or 45 minutes after the open, you never know. You may see GNPX start squeezing up, or CH. Well, I'm not trading CHEA, but that's potential, or FDMT. But those don't look good right at the open, I would say, just because of the low volume, and it's a little bit off the highs. But YTN kind of looks the best for me right now, but doesn't mean that I'm going to be trading it all day. But yeah, that's my plan here for the open. Hopefully you guys get green today. You know, it seems a little bit on the slower end, so make sure you're managing your risk appropriately. Day trading is risky. Beware of scammers and impersonators, and I am not a financial advisor or licensed professional. So if you guys are new, hit that thumbs up button for me on the way out, subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the flip side.